how to verify location on YouTube TV. So this is how it works at first. So if you already have an account with regular YouTube or any working Google Mail or Gmail that you can still use to log in using YouTube, whatever location or country that you have from your YouTube account will automatically reflect into your YouTube TV account. Now you can also go directly into YouTube TV's official site and try your zip code that you can use to see what are available channels or local channels that will be included on your pack. Now from your YouTube account, just head over into your profile picture and then head straight into location. So this is where you can verify your YouTube or YouTube TV location. And that's it.